Listen up, folks. You hear this term AI everywhere. It's in your phone, it's in your car, and now it's knocking on Wall Street's door, ready to make you some money. So, what is this artificial intelligence? Think of it like a super smart computer brain. It's not just a calculator doing simple math. No. This thing can learn. It can think. It can look at mountains of information, stuff that would make your head spin, and it can find patterns. It's like having a team of 1,000 genius analysts working for you 24/7 without ever taking a coffee break. They just keep digging for gold. Now, let's talk about trading. You know the game. Buy low, sell high. It sounds simple, but it's tough. You've got charts, you've got news, you've got company reports, you've got whispers on the street. It's a tidal wave of data. This is where AI comes in to save the day. AI trading uses these super smart computer programs to do the heavy lifting. They can read news articles from all over the world in a split second. They can analyze stock charts faster than you can blink. They are built to spot opportunities that the human eye might miss. It's about giving you an edge, a secret weapon in your back pocket. So, how does this magic work? The AI programs are fed historical data, years and years of stock prices, trading volumes, and economic news. The AI learns from the past. It sees what happened when a certain company announced great earnings, or when a government report came out. It learns to connect the dots. Then it takes what it learned and applies it to right now. It looks at the current market, the live news feeds, the social media chatter, and it says, hey, this situation looks a lot like that time when XYZ stock went to the moon. Maybe we should get in on this. This isn't some science fiction movie, people. This is happening right now today on Tuesday, July 8th, 2025. Big-time hedge funds on Wall Street have been using this stuff for years to make billions, but the game is changing. Now this incredible power is becoming available to you, the home gamer. You don't need a PhD from MIT to get started. You just need the right tools and a little bit of nerve. This technology is leveling the playing field, giving the little guy a fighting chance to score big. Booyah! So, how can this AI thing actually help you, the person who's just trying to build a nice little nest egg? First off, it's a trend spotter. AI algorithms are incredible at sifting through all the noise to find the music. They can analyze thousands of stocks at once and identify which ones are starting to heat up. Maybe a certain sector, like technology or healthcare, is getting a lot of positive chatter online. The AI sees that. Maybe a small company just got a patent that nobody has noticed yet. The AI finds that. It's like having a bloodhound that sniffs out winning trades for you. Next up, let's talk about saving time. Who has hours and hours to stare at charts and read boring financial reports? You've got a job, you've got a family, you've got things to do. AI automates the research process. Instead of you spending your entire weekend trying to decide between two stocks, an AI tool can give you a full breakdown in minutes. It can summarize analyst reports, check the company's financial health, and even gauge the public's feeling about the stock. This frees you up to do the important part, making the final call. It's your money after all. Let me give you some real-world examples. There are platforms out there like Trade Ideas or TrendSpider. These aren't your grandpa's stock tickers. They use AI to scan the market for specific patterns you tell them to look for. You can say, show me stocks that are hitting a 52-week high with huge trading volume, and bam! The AI gives you a list. There are also robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. These are perfect for beginners. You tell them your goals and how much risk you're comfortable with, and their AI builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you. It's like putting your investments on autopilot. The biggest thing AI does is take emotion out of the game. Fear and greed are the two things that will wreck your portfolio faster than anything else. You get scared during a dip and sell at the bottom. You get greedy during a rally and buy at the very top. AI doesn't have emotions. It follows the data and the strategy you set for it. It doesn't panic sell because of a scary headline. It doesn't get euphoric and chase a bad trade. It just executes the plan. That kind of discipline is priceless in the world of investing. Let's get real for a second. While AI is a powerhouse tool, it's not a magic crystal ball that's right 100% of the time. Let's talk about the good stuff first. The number one benefit is its ability to process information at lightning speed. An AI can scan global news, social media trends, and market data simultaneously. This means it can react to opportunities far quicker than any human ever could. It can find those hidden gems, those undervalued stocks that are about to pop before the rest of the market catches on. That's how you get ahead of the curve. Another huge plus is risk management. You can tell your AI trading bot, if this stock ever drops 10% from where I bought it, sell it immediately. No questions asked. This is called a stop loss. The AI will execute that order without hesitation, protecting you from catastrophic losses. It helps you stick to your plan and not let a small loss turn into a portfolio-destroying disaster. This disciplined approach is what separates the pros from the amateurs. The AI is your personal risk manager, always on guard, always protecting your capital. That's a beautiful thing. But now, for the bad. Here's the deal. AI is only as smart as the data it's trained on. If it's trained on data from a calm, stable market, it might get totally confused and make big mistakes when a crazy, unexpected event happens, like a global pandemic or a sudden war. These black swan events can short-circuit an AI's logic because it has never seen anything like it before. It might sell when it should be buying, or buy when it should be running for the hills. You can't just set it and forget it forever. You need to be the captain of the ship. And here's the ugly truth. AI can make mistakes. A bug in the code, a faulty data feed, or just a flawed algorithm can lead to bad trades. Remember the flash crash of 2010? Automated trading programs went haywire and the market tanked in minutes. While systems are better now, the risk is never zero. You have to understand that you are still responsible for the trades the AI makes. Don't ever put more money into an AI trading system than you're willing to lose. Never, ever, ever bet the farm on a robot. All right, you're fired up. You're ready to put some of this AI power to work for you. But hold your horses. Don't just jump into the deep end without learning to swim. My first and most important tip is, start small. I mean really small. Don't dump your life savings into an AI trading platform on day one. Pick a reputable tool. Put in a small amount of money that you're comfortable losing and treat it as tuition. Your goal at the beginning is not to get rich. It's to learn how the system works. Understand its quirks, see how it behaves in a live market, and get comfortable with the process. My second piece of advice is to do your homework. I know Kramer's telling you to do homework, but this is important. Don't just pick the first AI tool you see in an online ad. Research different platforms, read reviews, understand what their AI is designed to do. Is it for day trading? Is it for long-term investing? Does it focus on stocks or crypto or something else? Make sure the tool's strategy aligns with your own financial goals. You wouldn't use a hammer to saw a piece of wood, right? Use the right tool for the job. Third, and this is crucial, always have a human backstop. That human is you. Don't blindly trust every single recommendation the AI gives you. Use the AI as your super-powered research assistant, not as your boss. If the AI suggests a trade, take a minute to look at the company yourself. Does it make sense to you? Do you understand the business? The best approach is a hybrid one, where the AI's incredible data crunching power is combined with your own common sense and judgment. That's the winning combination. The AI finds the opportunity, and you give the final buy, or sell. Finally, never stop learning. The world of AI and finance is changing at a breakneck pace. What works today might not work tomorrow. Stay curious, read articles, watch videos, follow market news. Understand that this is a journey, not a destination. The market will throw you curveballs, and your AI tools will evolve. By staying engaged and informed, you can adapt and keep yourself in the game for the long haul. Now you know the basics. The power is in your hands. Go out there and make some money. Booyah!